Making a product ad with AI sounds easy, it's really not. Here's how it usually goes. You write a big complex prompt in Claude, then you build a storyboard in GPT Image 2 just to get one shot that looks right. Then you jump into a video tool and generate 15 seconds, then another 15, then another. You download all the clips, you drag them into an editor and you fight to make them match. It works, but honestly it's a grind. Today I'll show you a tool that skips all of that. It's called OpenArt Director. With this one you can make a full video up to 5 minutes long from just one simple prompt, like you're talking to a friend. It feels less like prompting and more like vibe directing. Let me show you. So here's my example. I'm making a real product ad for a clear stadium bag. The fashion kind. It's called the Vela Clear Shoulder Bag. And the timing's perfect because the World Cup's on right now. Most stadiums make you carry a clear bag for security. But let's be real, most clear bags are ugly. This one isn't. It's clear so it works with any outfit, any team colors. That's the whole point. Stadium approved, but make it fashion. The idea is simple. Emma styles her outfit with the bag, meets up with her friends and they head to the stadium together for the Argentina's match. Let me show you how fast this comes together. First, head over to OpenArt. I will drop the link below so you don't have to search for it. On the left, click the Director tab. This opens a page with the chat box right in the middle. That's where everything happens. From the plus button you can upload reference images like the product, outfit or style you want, and you can also select a character you've already created. So I upload my product photos, the Vela bag from my computer. I also add a few images of Argentina jersey, so the tool understands exactly how it should look. Then I'll pull in Emma, my character. I made her earlier so her face and overall look stays consistent throughout the video. One more thing, next to the chat box switch the mode to guide me. This way director reviews each step with me before moving on. There's also a just make it option that jumps straight to the finished video. But I like the control so I'm going with guide me. Now I just type my idea and watch how little I actually write. Here's my whole prompt. Create a UGC style ad for the Vela Clear Shoulder Bag. Emma styles her outfit and the clear bag finishes the look. Then she meets her friends and they head to the stadium together to watch Argentina at the World Cup. That's it, that's the whole thing. Look how simple that is. I'm not writing an essay, I just give it the basic and director does the rest. This is the part that feels like vibe directing. You are not building shots one by one. You are describing what you want and letting the tool bring it to life. I hit generate, director is my idea, works out the story and asks me a couple of quick questions to fill in the gaps. From the options director gave me, I selected the 9:16 vertical format, set the video length to 45 seconds and 1080p resolution. And here's the script it writes for me. Take a second to read it, best part is fully editable. And if something feels off, I can just tweak it until it sounds right. Then I just click looks good to confirm. Alright, here's the finished ad. Let's watch.
Okay, match day fit check. I've got the jersey, I've got the jeans, but something's missing, right? There she is, clear bag, so it's cute and it gets me into the stadium. Oh my God, hi! Stadium approved, baby. Let's go. We made it! Argentina, let's do this! Cute, clear, and in the stands. Vela.
Okay, let me be real with you. The first thing that impressed me was how well it holds together. It feels like one real ad from start to finish, not a bunch of separate clips stitched together. It actually flows. And Emma, I love her energy here. She really sells it. She looks genuinely excited to be at the game. Honestly, I might have to get this bag for my wife. And this is where director really surprised me. I was able to create a full fashion ad just by chatting, all in one place. The final result feels polished, cinematic and way better than expected. And you're not stuck with the first version. The editing options here are big. You can add subtitles, regenerate one shot you don't like, insert a new scene, even extend the length. And if you want a thumbnail or a poster, the grab frame option pulls the still right out of your video. You can even edit scenes just by chatting. Say I want to change one line or tweak the ending. I describe it and director updates it. Don't like it? Ask it to undo and it goes back. When I'm happy I just export and since I'm already at 1080p it's ready to go. And here's the thing, this isn't only for ads. In director mode you can make short films, micro dramas, movie trailers, music videos, explainers, whatever you want. Same simple process every time. You describe it, you shape it, you export it. You are just vibe directing your way through. So if you want to try it, here's exactly what to do. The link's in the description, click it, use my code for 50% off the monthly plan, and if you're serious about this, get the annual Wonder plan. Best value, simple as that. Give it a try, create something with it, and tell me how it goes. I will see you in the next one.